Tofu is indeed a great addition to your meals. Do you know calcium tofu is an essential nutrient for growing children? Tofu is known to be high in calcium. In fact, a 4-ounce serving of tofu contains about as much calcium as a full 8-ounce glass of cow's milk. Tofu is a good source of protein and contains a well-balanced, essential amino acids profile. It is a great addition for your anti-inflammatory diet. Don't like saturated fats? Tofu also has no saturated fats. This helps increase the value of tofu for those who want to be more heart smart. Tofu can give you enough power and energy to give your body a push and move past disasters like earthquakes that can cause loss of lives and damaged infrastructures around us. On the other side of the same spectrum, tofu is accessible and easily a great substitute to meat. It is a cheaper choice if you still want to pursue your meat-loving lifestyle without actually consuming much money. This makes tofu widely suitable to people of all ages. It can be used in fancy meals for your cravings or a snack and pulutan whenever and wherever you want. Wonderful, right? Gumagamit tayo ng prosesong fermentation. Mas pinapaigting ng fermentation ang mga bitamina at mineral sa pagkain. Nakatutulong ito sa mas mabuting digestion. Ang proseso ng fermentation ay nakagagawa ng bakterya na nakabubuti sa ating katawan. Tinatawag itong probiotics. Pinalalakas nito ang ating resistensya. Mas pinalalago nito ang paggawa ng katawan ng vitamin B at vitamin K. Ang kalakahan kasi ng ating immune system ay matatagpuan sa ating tiyan. Gumagamit tayo ng mas maraming enerhiya dito kumpara sa aerobic respiration na kapag nasa presensya ng oxygen ay nakagagawa ng maraming ATP. So, ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Bakit hindi ba bumili ng tokwa ngayon? Tofu, para sa aktuwang tofu.